So I'm gonna make my way down here now. Yeah, this is a pretty gnarly section. These boulders are pretty large. When these things get moving, it's be quite a rumble. So I haven't progressed too far. I did cross. See my bucket over there. There's some rocks there. I'm not sure I can get through much further down. I came over here because there are some rocks I can look through here. So, see kind of a neat little red and white striped rock down here. So check it out. Looks like a petrified wood. A little different. Keep that. Okay, I got a couple I found nearby here. Kind of blue. The stripe. Kind of interesting. And this other piece, I believe, is Grossular garnet. Yeah, I think so. This will be real translucent too. So I'll probably take that. Well, I'm wondering if there might be a fish in this pool, so I think I kind of came to the end here. I mean, maybe I could get a little bit farther. This gets kind of steep, and I can actually see a log down there, and I've been right there. In fact, just recently in one of the videos, I was looking up this way. So there hasn't been a lot of spots really to look. It's more in between the rocks. And like here, that's probably 4 or 5 feet deep. So I'm gonna go up and back across, and maybe I can go upstream. I don't know. Find out. Looks like maybe I see red underneath these rapids, but I just can't make it out, so I'm going to put the camera down, take a look. Yeah, I don't know what it's like to go up here. I mean, there is rocks up here. Oh, kind of glad I did, because now I see a nice red jasper there with white, and that's the first of the day for me. But yeah, right there. It's gonna be nice when I get it wet. Can I toss it down there? I think so. Uh-oh. Oh, damn. Frick. Well, I think I gotta go get it. Well, I think I know where it is. Okay. Should be able to see it, I think. I don't yet. Dang it. Okay, check it out. Pretty nice. I got some other ones over here. Been collecting. I got, it looks like green and red jasper. I think that's what it is. And this is a big agate and petrified wood. Probably should bring my bucket over. Guess I'll do that. Well, kind of interesting. Up in the log jam snow runoff, and my bucket down there is my truck up there. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. Got a big rock with quartz, big orange rock, and I would say that this tree, what's left of it, was growing here. See the roots? I mean, that looks like it was growing there, and everything, all the dirt, soil got washed away, and of course the tree died. thin piece of petrified. I bet this piece looks pretty nice, wet. Back is pretty green. Is a nice piece. I think this side's better. Pretty nice. Well, I'm headed back down towards my bucket. It's at the 50-yard line, it looks like. And I head across the creek, and unfortunately I got a leak right there. So I patched that before, but so not too much got in, but kind of sucks. Well, I made it back down here to my bucket, and up the ways I found a pretty nice green jasper, green and purplish. That's a real pretty green. And these other ones I'm gonna take that one, I guess. So this one definitely. This one, I'm gonna wash this one and see. I'm kind of curious to cut this one, see what it looks like inside. I had this little one here that I'm gonna leave it. Kind of cool, but so I think that is all my rocks. So easily 2/3 of a bucket. 45 pounds maybe. So somewhere I gotta find a spot and get across, and that's where I need to end up. Kind of go up that steep cliff there. I don't know if I can get over that big rock, so I might have to go go down that way somewhere. So I'd like to just step here, step there, get up on that rock, go down and get that piece of red jasper I see, or look at it. But I just don't think I can get the bucket over there, and it looks too deep. So I'm going to step down here and then kind of skate on these slippery rocks and get up there, and I think I can get through there. And I got to wind up there and then go up this ridiculous trail. Well, I got over. So now I checked it, wasn't red jasper, something else. So now I'm gonna go up here and go up there, and there's some roots I can grab on, get on, and go over and over, and then it's kind of steep. So we'll see what happens. So I'm nearly to the top. Here's a little overview. Drive a 1985 Toyota 4x4, which I got new in 1985. 4 miles on it. Now it has 255, which is actually pretty low. So I did pretty well that evening. Got a bunch of nice petrified wood, and that red jasper has just a beautiful pattern on it. And Grossular green garnet, pretty big. Some assorted jasper and green jasper, big agate. Sweet. Thanks for watching.